What happens when your RTX 3080 Ti gets smashed, cracked, and cooked? One repair tech gave it a second life. This colorful 3080 Ti came in with a twisted backplate, a cracked PCB, and scorched VRAM power circuits. The owner claims his girlfriend struck the card twice, PC off at the time, but it never booted again. Standard tests showed danger zones near the GDDR6X memory VRMs. A fix on this PCB? Way too risky. So brother Zhang went surgical. He pulled the GA102 chip from the wreckage to transplant it onto a healthy donor board. The donor board already had VRAM installed, making this a precision move. One mistake and it's game over. Against the odds, it booted. Windows recognized it, and tests showed it was stable under load. It's not rocking the original iGame shroud anymore, but performance, still solid. With Ampere architecture and 10,240 CUDA cores, the 3080 Ti is still a beast, definitely worth saving. Zhang's rebuild proves that even brutal damage doesn't mean it's over. If the core survives, there's hope. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.